Okay, 1, 2.
Ayy, I go shopping, want it, then I cop it, ayy, yeah, bitches popping, I do what they copy, ayy. I keep it juicy, juicy, I eat that lunch, she keep that booty, booty, she keep that plump, yeah.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yummy B here, and today I'm gonna be doing like a pampering video because I've been looking like gross for the couple of days, so I just wanted to like pamper myself. So I got a lot of stuff from Target. I'm gonna be using it in this video, so I'm just gonna go ahead right now and show you guys. So the first thing that I got is this charcoal cleansing nose strip because my nose has a lot, like the pores has been like building up and I could just feel it. So I got this. So this should definitely help with that. And I also got this thing that I'm gonna use to tint my eyebrows with, and it's basically what men use to tint their beards with, and it's called Mustache and Beard Just for Man, and I got it in the shade M40, which is a dark brown color. And this is what it looks like. I never did this before, I never used this before, but I just want to go ahead and try it out. Like, what's the worst that can happen? But I've seen a lot of people on YouTube use this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try it out. And then I also bought some Sally Hansen wax strip, and this is for your face and bikini area. And I decided that I wanted to wax my upper lip because y'all, my upper lip, I don't know if you guys can see it now, but every time I put on makeup, like I can see the mustache coming through, and it just needs to go away. And once again, I never like waxed my upper lip before, but I wanted to try it. What's the worst that can happen besides it breaking me out, which is probably the worst thing that can happen. But I just want to go ahead and try this out definitely, because the hair on my lip is like, it's shocking me, especially when I put on makeup, and I don't like that. The last two things that I got are just some deep clean peel off masks and their Neutrogena masks. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do these as well. We'll do one of them as well because they're the same thing. So we're just gonna go ahead now and start off with the wax strip. I'm kind of nervous. I did it on my mother and she was screaming like it hurt. And my mother, like, I feel like my mother like knows how to deal with pain. Me, on the other hand, I don't know how to deal with pain. So we're gonna see how this one goes. So once again, this is what I bought, and it's basically supposed to be quick and easy. Before pulling off the wax off the plastic, you basically warm it up in your hands and then separate the wax and then put it on the wherever you want to wax off, and then you just. So actually the first thing I'm going to do is just wipe off any excess oil that's on my face. Okay, so this is what it looks like out of the box, and this is just the wax strips. This I feel like I can do on each side, so I'm gonna use 2 of these, and it's super easy to use. You just put it on the palm of your hands like this and just rub it until it gets hot. So then you basically unpeel it like this. And it's 2 sides, so yeah. Ooh. And it has like a smell to it. It smells like sweet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly put this on my lip and go ahead. Oh my god. I can't believe I'm doing this. Okay. Ooh, baby. I can't believe I'm doing this. Okay. I'm just gonna breathe. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Okay. Breathe and count to 3. 1, Yeah, my legs are shaking. 1, 2. That hurt so bad. Okay, it didn't hurt that bad, but I don't see any hairs on this, bro. Or maybe I do. Maybe that's the hairs, but yeah. My face definitely still feels sticky. Like right here. Ooh. Okay, now we gotta do the other side. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, so I got another one ready. I'm just gonna do one like right here, just a little bit right there, and then we're gonna be done with the wax. Okay, 1, 2. That hurt. Okay, so I finished waxing my upper lip, and as you guys can see, my lips are super red. Like above my lips are super red. I just hope none of this breaks me out. But I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my face off because my face is definitely still sticky. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put some like lotion up this area so it doesn't get like it doesn't get irritated or anything like that. So I'll be right back. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is tint our brows. Okay, so what comes in the box is the color base and the color developer and a brush that I'm probably not gonna use because this is bigger than my eyebrows itself. I'm just gonna zoom in to show you guys how my brows look. And so this is what my brows, excuse that. So this is what my brows look like. They're very, very thin. They're very, very just doing their own thing, okay? There's no shape, there's no definition. None of that is going on because I refuse to get my eyebrows done nowadays because there's no hair for me to be getting done. Like, it just looks ridiculous. So I'm just gonna go ahead and like probably like tint right here and give it more of a shape. First thing I'm gonna do is just brush my eyebrows and kind of give myself the definition. So the girl I watched, she put Vaseline around her eyebrows just in case anything drip or slip. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do right now. We have the color developer and we have the color base. And I'm just going to, and you basically squeeze them both in together and then mix them up. So I'm just gonna put a little bit, because you don't need a lot because it's just your eyebrows. I can't find a brush, so I'm just gonna use a stick to mix it in together. And this is basically what it looks like. It's like a brownish, beigeish color. So I'm just gonna go ahead now and apply it on my eyebrows. The girl used hair-like strokes, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna use a brush like this to apply it. Yeah, I'm fucking nervous. It feels really cold right now, basically. And I'm basically filling in like anywhere there's like sparse areas. And like up here, I'm just gonna do like little bits of hairs. This is my favorite brow, y'all. This is the hard one. Yeah, because this brow makes no sense. Okay, I'm gonna start off with a little hair. And then just a little bit here. Okay, and as you guys can see, it's definitely getting darker. I just want my brows to be even. That's only the main thing, because my brows are not even because I don't get my eyebrows done. Like I mentioned before, I just want them to be even. So this is what it looks like right now. And the girl I watched, she did 3 coats, so that's exactly what we're gonna do. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I'm super duper 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 nervous. Right now it is 2:08. The girl left it on for like 10 minutes, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna leave it on for 13 minutes. So
13 minutes and counting.
So yeah, but right now this is how it looks. As you guys can see, it's getting dark and doing its work. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna clean this up right here because that looks crazy and I want my shit to be straight. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead now and wipe it off. Okay, it's not as bad as it looks. This makes it look really bad than it is. Okay. This looks really good. Like fix my brows. Yeah, I have a tail. I got a tail now. Oh my god, I love it. Wow. Ugh, I just wish I'd filled it in a little bit here, but it looks really good. Let me like, so this is after. I really see a difference there. Like I had no brows whatsoever. So right now I'm just gonna wash my face before I give myself like a nice good facial. So that is it for my pampering video. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Girl, I wanna change your name to my last name. You've been around for hours, feel like you just